Since there was only one candidate contesting for the post of Deputy Sarpanch, the voting was not necessary. The presiding officer declared that the Sri Sabaji Vishnu Parab, Madlawada Warkhand, has unopposed elected as a Deputy Sarpanch as Village Panchayat Warkhand Nagzar. The result was announced in the meeting and the presiding officer immediately published the declaration in the form of 6 on the notice board as Village Panchayat Warkhand Nagzar. The presiding officer sealed all the material of the election in sealed packet and dispatched the same with the result as elections to the BDO office.
की आम्ही थोडे दीस हांव रावपाचो, थोडे दीस बाकीच्यांक सगळ्यांक वांटून दिवपाक, तर तेंचो साबाजीचो एक हो आतां टायम आयिल्लो, सो तेका आमी निवडून हाडल्यात बिनविरोध. तशेंच फुडें बी बाकीचे आहात तांकां आमी दिवपाचें म्हणून चिंतलें.
म्हाका बिनविरोध निवडून हाडल्या बद्दल सराचे तशेंच म्हाज्या वांगडचे जे पंच मेंबर आहात तेंचे सगळ्यांचे हांव परत एकदा आभार मानता. म्हाका तशेंच आमचे देवस्थान कमिटीचे अध्यक्ष आनी तेजे सगळे पदाधिकारी तेंच्यांनी म्हाका सपोर्ट दिला, म्हाज्या हितचिंतकांनी म्हाका सपोर्ट दिला. त्या सगळ्यांचे हांव आभार